สวัสดีครับ Hello Welcome to Learning English Easily เรียนภาษาอังกฤษแบบง่ายๆครับ Let's look at the letter A A is for ant T ant mod ants are insects ants are very small ants have 6 legs the legs of the ants are very strong so they can run very quickly. Ants do not have ears. We find ants in the garden and in our house. Have you ever seen an ant? I saw an ant yesterday in the garden. A is also for apple. 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 I like apples. Do you like apples? Do you like apples? Apples are normally green and red. Have you ever eaten an apple? I ate an apple yesterday for breakfast. It was so delicious. A is also for alligator. 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 Do you like alligators? Have you ever seen an alligator? Do you like alligators? I saw an alligator yesterday with my friends in the afternoon in the water. ตัว A นะครับจะออกเสียงว่าเหมือนสวัสดีค่ะapple ant alligator apple ant alligator ขอบคุณครับบ๊ายบาย